guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Komal, and if you're new to this channel, I'd be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Now we girls are always short of clothes, so why not borrow them from your brother, father or your husband. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you how you can style a men's shirt into different ways. So let's begin. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please do share it with your loved ones, and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye guys.